Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial I will show you how to cancel your HBO Max subscription. So the quick and easy way to do this, so to quickly cancel your subscription you need to go to the website, then log in with your credentials to your account, then you need to select your profile in the upper right corner, go to settings, subscription, then manage subscription, and then find a button that corresponds to cancelling your subscription. It's very simple, it's not really different from any other service that you might use. It's not that different. So this is the first way through the website to cancel it. Also you can cancel it through Google Play, which is even easier. So as you can probably know that you have a certain section on Google Play with all of your subscriptions that are all in one place. For example, you may have your YouTube and HBO Max subscription. To easily cancel the subscription through the Google Play is you need to go to your Google Play Store website. You can do it from PC or you can do it from an Android. Then you need to click on your profile, then you need to go to your payments and subscriptions. Under the subscriptions tab, find HBO Max. It's going to be displayed there along with all the other subscriptions you might have. Then click manage and then select cancel subscription, and you will no longer have it and you will not be billed for the subscription for the next month. You can also do it on the iTunes from the App Store. So as you can see, launch up your App Store or iTunes app, click on your name, account settings, subscriptions, manage. It's not really different from the Google Play Store. Then click on edit next to the subscription and then cancel it. So that's how you cancel it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful, please press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.